Talika Pigment Control Device. First dark spot reducing device. Patented technology. No more brown spots. Detoxifies and removes under eye dark circle and puff. Targets excess pigmentation that causes uneven complexion. Thanks to light therapy technology, melasma under control. Skin is radiant. 2 sessions of 1 minute each per day. 44% less pigmentation in 30 days. Inspired by NASA aerospace research, using light wave brightening properties. 525 nanometers reviving dull complexion. Light ionic current and microvibration stimulates cellular exchanges and increase in effectiveness of spot-reducing treatments. Face, hands, neck, and décolleté. Brown spots vanish. Enable pigment control by pressing on/off button. Light appears on contact with skin. Hold on specific areas and glide all over the complexion. Device switches off after 1 minute. Highlight your pure complexion with Talika Pigment Control Device.